Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 6. Dear students, today we'll learn about purple color. You know, the world we live in is very beautiful. It is full of colors and blessings. Almighty Allah has given special colors to everything. On this page, we learn about purple color. Let's get started. Purple turnip, purple brinjal, purple onion. Let's have activity time. Color these pictures with purple pencil or crayon. Color the balloon in purple. Color the toy car in purple. Color the book in purple. Respectable teachers and parents, describe the importance of colors and make the children recognize purple color in things they see, touch, taste, and smell. Also show different flashcards to the children and ask them to say the names of the objects from their immediate environment displayed on the flashcards that have purple color. Do tell them that Almighty Allah has created everything with a specific color and design. Convince them to thank the Creator by saying Alhamdulillah. It would be far better if you start asking the names of certain vegetable, flowers and fruits that have purple color because children love to see them quite attentively. Encourage and clap for the children who do well with the recognition of purple color and appreciate the ones who attempt the same. Thank you.